Two internet giants, each promising lightning-fast connections and reliable coverage. But when it comes to your home, which one truly delivers? On the left, Spectrum, cable internet covered coast to coast. And on the right, Google Fiber, blazing fast speeds for the digital future. Let's skip the marketing hype and dive into what really matters. We'll rate each side in key categories. And at the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The winner might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map. Look at all the categories we're putting Spectrum and Google Fiber head-to-head in. Speed and performance, pricing and value, coverage and availability, reliability and customer satisfaction, and setup and equipment. Stick around for the details on each. So first up, let's talk speed and performance. All right, Spectrum offers decent download speeds, up to 1 or 2 gigabits per second in some spots. Plenty for HD streaming, gaming, video calls, you name it. But, and it's a pretty big but, uploads cap at around 20 to 35 megabits per second. So if you're uploading massive files or streaming yourself, you might run into some bottlenecks. Also, real-world wireless speeds, honestly, usually hover closer to the 200 to 700 megabits per second range. Now, over to Google Fiber. This is where things get wild. Symmetrical gigabit and even multi-gig speeds, up to a mind-blowing 8 gigabits per second. Latency? Super low. Performance? Super consistent. The only catch? This sheer speed only exists if Google Fiber's in your city. So, between the two, Google Fiber definitely wins the speed round, no question. Let's talk money, pricing, and value. Spectrum starts off with some sweet promo prices, actually lower than Google Fiber, and there are no contracts or annoying data caps. But the honeymoon period fades fast because after the first year, boom, you're looking at a $20 to $25 hike per month, and gigabit plans get pricey without giving you much on the upload side. With Google Fiber, things are refreshingly straightforward. Transparent pricing, no contracts, no hidden fees, and if you want 1 gigabit per second, it's $70 per month, which is a really solid price per gigabit. That said, their starting price is a bit higher, and if you want multi-gigabit speeds, you'll pay extra. Honestly, for the value, Google Fiber comes out on top, especially if you're going for those higher plans. Coverage and availability. This is where Spectrum flexes hard. Spectrum is everywhere, basically. Over 40 states, tons of homes, rural, suburban, you name it. It's super accessible. The catch, though, is it's not true fiber, and your speed might vary depending where you are. Google Fiber, meanwhile, is expanding but mostly sticks to specific cities and urban cores. If you've got it, you're lucky. But if you don't, well, you're kind of out of luck. So, Spectrum definitely wins hands down for coverage. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Google Fiber first launched way back in 2012? That was when 1 gigabit per second speeds became something regular folks could actually get. Wild, right? Now, reliability and customer satisfaction. Spectrum is pretty reliable for daily tasks and gets average reviews overall, but yeah, it's still vulnerable to those classic cable outages or network congestion. People are kind of meh on it, especially when it comes to speed in crowded areas. But Google Fiber, oh, it shines here. Fiber to the home means you get consistent speed and uptime, way less interference. Plus, customer satisfaction surveys are noticeably better. Sure, their support varies depending on your region, but it rarely gets in the way. So, again, this one goes to Google Fiber. Last, let's go into setup and equipment. With Spectrum, it's usually simple. A tech can swing by, or you DIY. You get a modem with the plan, and you've got options for your router, which is cool. Downside is, some places still rely on older coax cables, so yeah, not exactly future-proof in every neighborhood. Google Fiber, on the other hand, is a breeze. Fast setup, often user installable, and get this, most markets give you a free Wi-Fi 6E router. Only thing is, some areas might make you wait since availability isn't universal. Still, for convenience and gear, Google Fiber edges ahead. Let's check out the radar chart. It really lays out just how these two stack up across each category. Speed and reliability are Google Fiber's playground, but Spectrum definitely owns the coverage corner. So, what's the verdict? If you want internet nearly anywhere, or you're after a lower initial price, Spectrum's the safer play. But if you're all about blazing fast, equal uploads and downloads, no hidden costs, and super clear pricing, Google Fiber is the obvious choice where it's available.
Want more tech matchups? Bookmark us right now so you never miss a comparison.